This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add oil to your Hyundai Accent. First, park your car on a flat surface and let the engine cool slightly. You'll need the correct type of engine oil, which you can find in your owner's manual, and a clean funnel. Locate the oil dipstick and the oil filler cap on your engine. These are your key components for this simple, yet important, maintenance task. To get an accurate reading, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes, then turn it off and wait about 5 minutes for the oil to settle. Now, pull out the dipstick, wipe it completely clean with a rag, and reinsert it all the way. Pull it out again to check the oil level against the markings. If your oil level is low, it's time to add some. Unscrew the oil filler cap, usually marked with an oil can symbol, and place your clean funnel securely into the opening. Pour in a small amount of oil, perhaps 1/4 of a quart at a time. It's always better to add too little than too much. After adding oil, wait a few minutes for it to settle, then repeat the dipstick check. Continue adding small amounts, like 1/8 of a quart, and rechecking until the oil level is between the add and full marks. Remember, overfilling can cause serious engine damage, so always add slowly and carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.